Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you don't eat for 24 hours? Or even 72 hours? You've probably heard about intermittent fasting, but do you know how it actually works? Intermittent fasting is more than just skipping meals. It's like flipping a switch in your body, a switch that could improve your energy, boost weight loss, and even help you live longer. But how does it all work? And what happens inside your body hour by hour? Intermittent fasting is gaining popularity because it's not just another diet. It's a way of timing your eating patterns that trigger powerful changes in your body, changes backed by science. There are different types of intermittent fasting. Some people fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Others push the limits, fasting for 24, 48, or even 72 hours. But today, we're going to break down what happens in your body during those longer fasts, 24, 48, and 72 hours. I remember the first time I tried fasting for 24 hours. Honestly, I wasn't sure I could do it. The first few hours were easy, but by the end of the day, I had questions. What is my body going through? Is this really good for me? Little did I know, my body was already switching into fat-burning mode, releasing stored energy, and even cleaning up damaged cells, a process called autophagy. And the best part? The mental clarity I experienced was incredible. But that's just the beginning of what happens when you fast. So what's happening after the first 24 hours? Your body starts running out of glucose, the sugar in your blood. To keep your energy levels up, it taps into stored fat, converting it into ketones. This is the same process people on the ketogenic diet rely on. After 24 hours, you're officially in fat-burning mode. The brain actually thrives on ketones, which is why many people report feeling sharper and more focused when fasting. Now, at the 48-hour mark, things get even more interesting. This is when autophagy kicks in. Autophagy is like your body's internal recycling system. Damaged cells and proteins are broken down and cleaned up. This process can help reduce inflammation, slow aging, and may even prevent certain diseases. I noticed that by the 48-hour mark, I felt lighter and had more mental clarity than I'd felt in a long time. It's like my body was working more efficiently. At the 72-hour mark, something even more powerful happens. Your body starts to regenerate immune cells. Fasting for 3 days signals your body to produce new white blood cells, which boost your immune system. It's like hitting the reset button, helping you fight off illnesses more effectively. Now, before you jump into a 72-hour fast, it's important to remember that fasting isn't for everyone. If you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication, always check with your doctor first. Fasting can be a powerful tool, but it's all about balance. For most people, starting with shorter fasting windows like 16 hours can provide many benefits without the stress of a longer fast. So whether you're fasting for 24 hours, 48 hours, or even 72 hours, your body is working behind the scenes, burning fat, cleaning up damaged cells, and even boosting your immune system. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or supplements to start. Intermittent fasting can transform not only your body, but also your mind. If you're curious, give it a try, but start small and listen to your body. As always, it's about finding what works best for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Healthyville for more natural health tips.